Yun, what's up? What's up? Pag-usapan naman natin ang impeachment trial. Day 2 and Day 3 ni Vice President Sara nung July 7 and 8. Pero mas marami ang ano sa Day 2, no, topic. Yan, nakikita nyo naman sa screen yung magiging topic. No? Yun, disclaimer lang po ulit, no, na itong mga sinasabi ko is aking opinion lang. Kung may mali ako, correct nyo ako, no? Then kung may opinion kayo, i-comment nyo sa baba. Then mag-discuss tayo regarding sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara. No? Okay, yun. Start na natin to. Una na natin yung sa 2/3 of votes. Inulit yata ni Alan to eh.
Basically, yesterday I clarified whether that was the opinion of the elected presiding officer, and of course, without any offense to my brother and friend, Senator Guerrero, we have a continuing objection. I asked him whether this was already a ruling of the court, because if it's the ruling of the court, then as a threshold issue, we will have no further questions. Section 22, Article 22 of our rule says that all orders, decisions may be acted upon without objection, or if objection is heard, the orders and decisions shall be voted on without debate by ayes and nays, which shall be entered in the record, subject, however, to operation of Rule 6 and Rule 6 speaks of whether the presiding officer will rule on relevance, admissibility, and giving any movement 2 minutes. I may also correct that yesterday I was not allowed to, when I objected to Senator Lacson, I should have been given 10 minutes in accordance with Section 22. But I do admit that before that, in the point of order, Senate President Gatchalian was liberal in allowing us to explain. Anyway, everything has been explained yesterday as part of the Constitution. In writing, we will do so. But just on this point of the threshold issue of 2/3 of all members, there is actually a pending case in the Supreme Court entitled Cayetano versus Aquino. That is myself and my seatmate, Senator Aquino. We talk, but we're not talking about the case. So actually, you're correct, Senator. Anyone can. And I just like to make and further clarify. There's no objection that, as of today, the stand of the impeachment court, that of all members, that as long as you're a member, so meaning when are you not a member? When you die, when you are removed by penalty, when you resign. Otherwise, you are still a member, so you are still counted. And it is that spirit that we ask and preparing maybe a memoranda, all members, allow Senator and Senator, since they are going to have a vote. And if they are not allowed to vote, then that will be counted as a vote for acquittal. And that might be favorable to the defense rather than part of it. So all I wanted to clarify today, Mr. President, is that we will continue to flesh out if there are any constitutional issues. But as of today, it is very clear that as a court, we have decided that 2/3 of 24, there are 24 members of the Senate today, 20 are present here today, but there are still 24 members, and 16 ang number of convict on any of these.
Yun nga, yan yung sinasabi ni Alan. No? Yung 2/3, yung may sinabi siya ng mga kino-consider or condition kung ano yung paano magbawas ng senador, no? Unang-una yung resign, yung pangalawa yung remove, yung isa is yung, 'di ba? Yun, yung mga ano, meron pa iba. Pero sa mga legal, manood kayo doon sa mga ibang attorney. Ay, manood kayo sa mga attorney na ano, na mga vlogger, no? I-explain nila man nila yan kung ano. Pero yun lang yung ano ko talaga, yung two-third kasi ano yan eh. Sabi nga ni Alan, kung hindi makakaboto yung dalawa or ano, tatlo, is acquittal lang magiging ano nun, no? Then, ano pa rin naman sila eh, senador pa rin naman talaga sila. Kumbaga, kompleto pa rin yung 24. Yun nga, may condition lang kung mababawasan sila. Depende sa kung nag-resign, na-remove, or may sakit, or not chegi, no? Yun. Yung pangalawa naman is yung ito may ano to yung manifestation yata to.
Grave threats and acts of sedition, Your Honor. One of the key witnesses, hostile,
Sabi yun.
another authority that, that we request be addressed.
First witness, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Senate President, President. We do have manifestation. Well, in direct answer to the query of Senator Judge, I am not presenting the witness. But I would like, with your permission, Your Honor, to manifest a query that we request be addressed by this honorable court presiding judge to the defense.
The lady may proceed.
We are informed. In fact, we have seen an interview conducted in the Senate premises on the Vice President herself. And she had been quoted as saying that she is expecting a bloodbath and a bludgeoning, but she will not, her head may be blooded but unbowed.
Yun no, medyo nakakadismaya lang kay Sarah na dapat hindi niya na ginagawa yung mga ganyang wording. O, kung magpapa-interview siya, eh, di ba dapat yung medyo safe na ano. Pero yung mga sinasabi niya, medyo may mga ano pa eh. No, yung, alam mo, may matapang yung mga salitaan. Dapat hayaan niya yung impeachment trial, no? Maging smooth. Huwag na siya yung magbibigay ng comment na masama. Yung mabibigat na wording, no? Yun lang sa akin yung kaya sinama ko sa topic nito kasi nakakasira yun sa trial eh. 'Di ba? No? Dapat maging chill lang siya, hayaan niya ang process ng impeachment trial ng umano sa kanya. Yeah. Then yung opening statement ni ni Lawrence Congressman Lawrence Defensor.
Sir, kindly finish your reply to the
Thank you, Your Honor.
objection.
and the defense. There are
Ano sinabi?
certain issues
24, 38. What? Ano ba yun? Wala.
in advance so that we can also
RP assemblies.
Ano ko lang.
Honorable Senator Judges, noong kadalawamput-dalawa ng Hunyo 2026, nagulat at dalamhati ang buong bansa sa pamamaril ng isang paaralan. Sorry, excuse me. Your Honor, may I be allowed to finish my manifestation? I will not disrespect and interrupt the defense counsel
Yes, but before
once he
that,
has started.
this is no disrespect.
Counsel for respondent is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is improper. The improper for trial. Manifestation, this is not a manifestation proper for court procedure. This is instead them telling a story. This is a narration by the prosecutor, which is not allowed by any rule. Any.
Yun, hindi. Gets ko din naman si defense, no? Para kasing yung ginawa ng prosecutor, yung grupo nila, parang magbibigay muna sila ng yung init sa publiko kasi alam natin public ano yung trial yan eh. 'Di ba lalagyan nila ng konting narrative, 'di ba, para mas maganda yung entry ng pagpapakilala nila sa article impeachment, 'di ba? Yung death threat, yung mga ganyan, yung mga issue ng nakaraan. 'Di ba? Kasi yung parang sinasabi ni Congressman Lawrence na ito yung nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon dahil kay Sara. Parang ganun yung point niya na dahil sa pagbabanta, parang ganun, 'di ba? Dapat sa akin hindi dapat sinama yun eh. Kung papakilala niya yung witness or yung tawag dito, yung witness saka yung mga evidence ipe-present nila, dapat di ganun ang atake, no? Gets ko naman yung defense, no? Then gets ko rin naman yung prosecutor. Gusto kasi nila maganda yung entrada ng pagpapakilala nila sa article of impeachment, no? Yun, gets ko naman yun. Comment ko lang naman yun na medyo nagulat lang din ako nung napanood ko yun. Okay? Then, guys, next video na lang natin yung sunod yung pagpapakilala sa unang witness, then yung mga evidence, then pag-usapan natin yung nandito yung training, yung regarding sa mock score, yung pag-ontication, yung batuhan ng prosecutor and defense counsel. Then ito yung sikat na yung photocopy is consider original, no? Then yung closing remark ni Senator Risa.